Have you ever had an appliance with the right length cord? Very often they are either too long and have to be shortened, or too short and need an extension. The cords are rarely looking nice and creating a lot of visual noise in our homes. And today I would love to show you how I'm organizing them and making less present, reducing that visual noise. The countertop is not only the place where I'm preparing the food, but also charging our electrical bits and pieces. Our coffee station is permanently there, and we also love to have more light in this corner. Sometimes you're asking me why I am not hiding the utensils in the drawers. Some are too bulky, but good for masking the cord, and they are looking nicer than the cord. If you don't want to splurge on cable organizers, look for everyday items which can be also reused for it. Orchid holders are quite good for tie the cables which are permanently plugged in. For cover the cord, I'm keeping a large jar in the coffee station. For quick tying and untying the cord, I repurposed a hair clip. Good for electrical toothbrush, as it doesn't need frequent charging. It's hidden behind the hand towels. You can't see the cords of our lamps, as they are concealed behind the billy shelves. I love that they are on the remote, so even the switches can be hidden. I run long extension cord beyond also for the radio. Even though there is a socket nearby, I like to not see the cord curling up there. Between the TV and the socket for the cable is 6 meters distance, as they are placed on opposite walls. Previous tenants put the cord cover along the window, but it wasn't properly done, so you still could see the cable popping out at places, and I guess it also didn't keep very well. So attempt to fix it went from the lake to the bog. I could give tons of excuses why I didn't fix this eyesore for so many years, but today is the day. My initial plan was to take everything off, give a good clean and fasten it back with proper double-sided tape. Done. But here we go. You probably also have been finding yourself in situations where you just intend to change the curtains and ended up with changing the windows. I got myself on that road. When I began to clean the old covers, I realized that I will go gray by the time I'm finished, and there are much more enjoyable things in the world. So the next day I went to the store and got the new cord covers instead. I spent just 13 euros for this project, so it didn't burn the hole in the pocket.
Waking up in my bed, you're still stuck in my head. I'm not even hungover.
Follow me as I go on this project to see how it turned out.
Then ask you to come over. Not very good with decisions, know what's right, but I
I also used an opportunity to get in order the cables behind the shelves and to clean the dust of centuries. No one sees them, but it's so satisfying to know that also there is all neat and tidy. So here is after, and I'm quite proud of it. My husband's piano has a silent system, which comes with the cable. Even though I don't see it often, it's not the most tidy look. It attracts all the dust from the room, and I have to arrange it every single time before running the robot vacuum cleaner. However, those cables can be permanently hidden because of extension cord for the lamp and bulky power supply box in the middle. I ordered those organizers on Amazon. They are flexible and pretty tiny, but can keep up to 3 cables. I got some organizers also for the charger cord of the vacuum cleaner. I like them less, but they keep the cable off the floor.
I am returning to the charging dock.
And speaking of the cables off the floor, sometimes the box on the wall might be the right solution. Just tuck everything too long inside. Be sure that the plugs have a good ventilation to prevent overheating. And sometimes wires tend to be on the surface, no matter what. Our radio antenna is quite spoiled and it sounds like shh, a wavy ocean if pointed down. I arranged it into a mountain shape. Tiny stickers can be easily removed. For years we have a box with dividers for organized numerous chargers, but time after time it needs some updates. So I just did a mini declutter and discarded some duplicates and a couple of cables that we don't use, labeled the ones which came without plugs, and brought an indication table to the reality of 2021. And fastened the cables with reusable organizing ties. Don't bend the cord too much and leave the stressing loop next to the plug to prevent breaking. So here is pretty much it about the cables, cords and wires. Just one very last tip. If you are using peelable lint roller, preserve the tubes. They are really sturdy and can be used for cable organizing. Have you more cable organizing tips? Share it in the comments. I would love to know them, and they also might be useful for the other viewers. If you like this video, please give me the thumbs up and smash this subscribing button. Also share it with those to whom it might be useful. Thanks for watching, greetings from Luxembourg, and see you in the next one. Eddie!